Welcome to Action Hound Media, the site and channel all about action. Life's boring, get some more action into your life. So this week we are going to go over some Sasquatch questions. One question everybody wants to know is, what do they look like? Of course, this is all speculation because I've never seen one, but according to some of the reports out there and people's witness testimony, these are the facts. Sasquatch, or Bigfoot, are known to be large ape-like creatures, primates. Their size and build for an adult is typically described as being very tall with robust features ranging from 7 to 10 feet as adults, and some even claim that they're taller. They're often described to being very, very muscular in the shape of a large ape or a large human, and they've known to be exceptionally strong. If a chimpanzee is 2 times as strong as a human, then one of these Sasquatches have to be 10 to 15 times stronger than us. And there have been anecdotes of Sasquatch lifting cars and rowing logs and boulders. So very, very interesting. Sasquatch is also known to have a hairy appearance, usually a dark fur in brown or black, but there have been reports of Sasquatch with red-colored fur and some even white. The Yetis in the northern regions have been reported to be white, and they're most commonly known as the abominable snowman. I guess they're white because they're living in an environment that's totally snow. The hair is often described as shaggy or very thick, providing protection against the elements. Reports suggest that they vary length and density depending on the individual creature. The facial features, they're often described as those of a large ape or primitive hominid. The face is reported to have a prominent brow ridge, a flat or concave nose, and a wide lipless mouth. The eyes are often described as large and expressive. Sasquatch footprints are usually described as large with an estimated length of 15 to 24 inches and show a distinctive pattern of a humanoid foot, usually with 5 toes. But the thing distinctive about the Bigfoot footprint is that there's no arch. Like a human would have an arch, there's no arch on a Bigfoot. They have flat feet. Another question, what do Sasquatch eat? Sasquatch are believed to be omnivores, so they eat a variety of a diet consisting of plants and vegetation and animal matter. So Sasquatch will eat plants and vegetation. Because they're so huge, they must be eating a large range of plant material such as berries, fruits, nuts, roots, leaves, and other edible vegetation found in their habitat. There are stories that Sasquatch go after small animals, rabbit, rodents. They've known to try to catch fish. They've known to be seen digging for mussels and clams, and people have seen them carrying deer or raiding chicken coops and stealing goats and things like that. Another question is, where are the Sasquatch? Sasquatch sightings are most commonly known to be in the North American region, particularly in remote wilderness areas. The Pacific Northwest of the United States is mentioned as a hotspot, as long as Western Canada, specifically such areas as Washington, Oregon, British Columbia, and parts of Alaska have a higher frequency of reported sightings, and parts of Alaska have a high frequency of sightings and legends surrounding the Sasquatch. These regions are known for dense forests, mountains, and rugged terrain, which are considered ideal habitat for the creature. So they have a place, a remote, an area where they can retreat to, where humans cannot cross into readily. That's probably a good habitat for a Sasquatch. The Appalachian Mountains and the Rocky Mountains are areas where there are frequent sightings of Sasquatch. However, Sasquatch have been known to be seen in the eastern United States from Maine to Florida. Areas of vast wilderness can be inhabited by Sasquatch. Even the Pine Barrens in New Jersey have been known to have Sasquatch. West Virginia and Kentucky are also good hotspots for Sasquatch because they have a lot of ridges and hollers, valleys, where a Sasquatch can be very close to you, but a ridge can separate them that they can traverse to and go to hide, and they could be right next door to you. Even Connecticut has a lot of Sasquatch sightings because Connecticut is way more wooded than people realize. I have friends in Connecticut, and we've gone out there, and we have some actually pictures from there. So that will be shown in future episodes, most likely. Remote areas are key for Sasquatch. They need a place to retreat to get away from humans, to be elusive and not seen, and to avoid humans at all costs. So any place where there's large areas of remote wilderness are prime Sasquatch habitat. Another question is, where do Sasquatch sleep? According to legends and accounts, it is believed that Sasquatch sleep in nests. It is believed that they build shelters or nests for their sleeping environment. They make the nest with branches, leaves, and whatnot, debris from the forest. They make the nest from trees, branches, and debris found in the forest. They are said to sleep in groups with sentinels watching over them as they sleep. So they're in packs, and they have watchdogs, so they're ready to move if they're encountered by humans. In the documentary On the Trail of Bigfoot, The Discovery, members of the Olympic Project actually found the nest. So if you want to see what these nests look like, go check out that documentary. Comparatively, gorillas also build nests in trees or on flat ground, depending on the species and their habitat. They typically build nests with tree branches and foliage and debris that they found in their environment. The nests provide them with a comfortable sleeping arrangement for the night and also places for them to nap during the day. Gorillas often build new nests every night, and the location and structure of these nests vary from day to day. They may sleep alone or share their nests with other groups of their social group, such as offspring or other gorillas. Due to the elusive nature of Sasquatch, it is also believed that they build nests every day and change their location. So that's part one of Sasquatch questions. More questions to come in the future. We start off with the basic ones, and we'll delve into the more interesting ones in later episodes. Action Hounds Unite.